Hey guys, today we're going to do a quick install on this handmade aluminum tank from Italy. I think it's called HRC Parts. I think we ordered this through Motocross. You can find them on Facebook. It comes with a 1-year warranty. It does come with a cap. I installed already the petcock, and then that I just order on like Honda Parts Warehouse. It does come with these as well. So this is pretty much easy to bolt on. I try to do everything I can to keep the stock tanks off the bikes when I ride and race them. Just because they're so hard to find, and once I get them refurbished like that, you know, my knees and everything beat them up pretty good. So you can see, really similar. I mean, they're really perfect on what they do. You can see I have one on my 86 CR500 already, and we powder coated that, and this is on my 86 CR250. And this one, when I bought it, a gentleman named Paul, who owned it before me, had custom red plastic made instead of the orange. I'm a big fan of the orange. And so he put the skin on it, and from me riding it and racing it over the year or two, it's just been a pain in the ass to sort of maintain. So this is a perfect time to take that off. I'll clean it, and then I'm just gonna put this on since the motor from Factory Edge, we did it all, you know, we didn't repaint it or Cerakote it. So I think it'll look cool going with this one without powder coating. So we'll show you the next result once we're done. So stay tuned. All right, tank's installed. Do you guys prefer the traditional look or the aluminum tank? I think the only way the aluminum tank looks good is because we didn't Cerakote the motor. So let me know what you guys think. Sorry, I forgot to put the fuel line back on. Let me know what you guys think. I think it looks great though. So it was super easy, installed easy. Thankfully, the mounts for the seat and the strap came off of the stock tank easily. Sometimes they're stuck, and if they're stuck, I usually don't mess with them because I've seen plastic crack, things like that, if you're cranking on it too much, because you know these tanks are 35 years old. So that's it, you guys. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.